Meghalaya State Investment Promotion Society today signed the Memorandum of Understanding with Invest India Union Ministry of Commerce and Industry in presence of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. He informed that the objective of the Memorandum of Understanding is to leverage investment opportunities in key development sectors to boost trade and industries in the state after the Memorandum of Understanding was inked in New Delhi. The Chief Minister also said this will enhance the entrepreneurial system in the state while also focusing on promoting the One Product, One District program. Bagla, Managing Director and CEO Invest India, said the immediate target will be in promoting startups alongside value addition of products like Lakadong turmeric, Eri silk, mushroom, pineapple and jackfruit.
Would be, and obviously that in a situation where we are, it cannot just happen in an organic kind of a manner. It has to be done in a different
on the ease of doing business and several other initiatives to bolster the industry and enterprise in the country. So, on your behalf, express gratitude to them for having acceptation. So, we record a warm welcome to you, and then we have with us Mr. Bagla, heading West India, which is a government media agency set up